Okay, this is question 7 on the higher calculator paper. Let's read the question first. The question says the scatter graph shows the information about 8 cars. So here's the scatter graph, and let's just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, the 8 cars or 8 bits of data on the scatter graph. For each car, it shows the engine size in liters, so the engine size in liters, so here's that down here, the engine size, and the distance in kilometers the car travels on 1 liter of petrol. So the distance that the car travels, and these are all in kilometers, on 1 liter of petrol. So, okay, some cars are traveling further than others on 1 liter of petrol. Alright, I could sort of get a general gist of this. What type of correlation does the scatter graph show? Okay, well, this is pretty straightforward. You could see that from the scatter graph, all the points are lined up downwards. Right, the graph is heading downwards as you go from left to right, so that means it's a negative correlation. And I could simply put negative there, and it's a negative correlation. Alright, make sure you can see that, and it's clear there. Now this is pretty straightforward. You need to know the difference between you need to know the different types of correlation: positive, negative, no correlation. Make sure you're familiar with this. That's one easy mark there. Part B of the question says a different car of the same type has an engine size of 2.5 liters. Estimate the distance traveled. So estimate the distance traveled on 1 liter by this car. So what I need to do, I need to use the scatter graph to make a prediction or an estimation of how far a car with an engine size of 2.5 liters will travel. What I need to do is to draw a line of best fit. So I'm going to try to draw a line that's centered over most of the points, and I'm going to try to position it so that it goes through sort of the center of all the points. Alright, okay, that's a decent line of best fit there. It goes through most of the point. There isn't a single correct answer for line of best fit, right? And the examiners do give you leeway for that. Now, there's my line of best fit, and I'm actually going to use this to answer the next part of the question. The question says, right, if a car has engine size 2.5 liters, now 2.5 is about there, well, it's actually exactly there, it's between 2 and 3. I'm going to draw a line up to my line of best fit, and then across there. That there is 11 kilometers, and I'm going to put that in my answer space. There are 2 marks for this. One mark is for the line of best fit, and the other mark is actually for reading off the values. You need to show your line of best fit here. These questions are really popular. Make sure you know it, make sure you get it, make sure you get full marks in this.